To it.
You got
it held on tight? You gotta throw it with your right hand.
Why?
You think you can throw it with your left hand?
Sure. You ready? You ready?
Wait for it to get kicked up before you throw it.
Okay. You ready? You got control of it?
Yeah.
Wow, that thing's up there. Where'd it go? Oh, there it is. How are you gonna get it back on the ground?
I don't know. It's kind of high, isn't it?
It's way up there. You know you got two kids right here on the ground too. Oh! You okay?
Did I get him?
You almost hit him. I think you did. What happened there, Higgins? What? How many pieces do we think it's in?
Sorry about that.
You okay? Yeah. Sorry, it's our first flight. We don't know what we're doing. What's the damage assessment? Nose cone?
Nose cone. That looks pretty bad.
See if it's good.
Well, should we try to pull it out?
Hang on. Just you give it power. See if it's gonna go. It's.
You know, there's a hill over there. It goes down like this.
Over where?